We're gonna do a quick video here showing you CBC, showing a couple of people. Right? Look at this. Their camera, they're setting up to point in this direction. Remember that. Now let's turn around and show what's really happening here. Our news media will not cover this. They point at a couple of people. Meanwhile, this is what's really going on. Unbelievable. If you needed any more proof that it's corrupt,
that's right, it's corrupt, it's all corrupt.
Here it is.
Freedom! When do we want it? Now! What do we want? Freedom! When do we want it?
This is what Canada's about. It doesn't matter. It's starting to snow.
Look at that amazing journalism, CBC. All you have to do is turn your camera in the other direction. It does not stop. It's just so unbelievable. You know the media's lying, but when you see this, when you see them point the camera in the opposite direction, that's their version of reporting. This is an unbelievable turnout. It just keeps going.